Next example of greatest common divisor. Find greatest common divisor D of 3997 and 2947 and express it in the form D is equal to 3997 into M plus 2947 into N for some M and N belongs to Z. So the larger number is 3997. So divide by smaller number 2947. Then quotient is 1 and the remainder is 1050. That is, if we uh, use calculator and if we divide 3997 by 2947, then we have quotient 1 point something. That is, 1 is the quotient, and then 3997 minus 2947 into 1 gives this number, that is the remainder. Similarly, we divide this divisor, that is 2947, by then remainder 1050. Next equation. Then quotient, if we divide 2947 by 1050 by using calculator, then we have the answer 2 point something. That is 2 is the question. And then 2947 minus 1050 into 2 gives this number, that is the remainder 847 by using calculator. Then 1050, that is divisor, divided by remainder 847 into quotient is 1 and the remainder is 203. So we have the answer 203 by using subtracting 1050 minus this 847 into 1 gives the answer 203. Okay, so this question gives by using calculator. If we divide 1050 by 847, then question is 1 point something. Then divide 847 by using calculator by 203. Then if we divide 847 by 203, then we have the question 4 point something. That is 4 is the question. And then 847 minus 203 into 4 has this number, is this number, that is 35 remainder. Then 203 is equal to 35 into 5. So how we get this question? If we use calculator and if we divide 203 by 35, then quotient is 5 point something, that is 5 is the quotient, and then 203 minus 35 into 5 gives the is this answer 28. Then 35 divide 35 by 28, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 7. And then 28 divide 28 by 7 is 7. Then 7 into 4 is 24, that is remainder is 0. 4 is the question. And therefore the greatest common divisor of 3997 and 2947, right here round bracket 3997 comma 2947 and is 7. So this is the last non-zero remainder and is the greatest common divisor of these two numbers. Last remainder is 0. So when we stop this procedure of applying division algorithm, if we have the remainder 0, last if we have remainder 0, then stop the procedure of applying division algorithm. And so the greatest common divisor of the two number is what? Is the second last remainder or last non-zero remainder. Okay, this is first non-zero remainder, this is second, third, fourth, like that. This is the last remainder, which is 0, and the second last remainder is 7. So the greatest common divisor of 3997 and 2947 is 7. Then next question, we have to find the value of M and N. So for that we use these equations. So second last equation, numbering of the second last equation is by 1, and then previous is 2, then previous is 3, and that is numbering the equations reverse order. We denote the second last equation by number 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then use the last equation. So what is the value of 7? Is 35 minus 28 into 1. Then use the, this is from 1, and then from 2 by using 2, equation number 2, it is observed this equation number 2. The value of 28 is what? 203 minus 35 into 5. So I write here 28 as 203 minus 35 into 5 into 1. And then we have the answer 35 minus 203 into 1 multiply by this 1 in bracket. So what do we have? Then minus become plus. Here is right plus sign. This is not minus. They write plus sign. Plus 35 into 5. Then 35 into 1 plus 35 into 5 becomes 35 into 6. How we can have this answer? we have this answer that 30, if you take 35 as common, then what do we have in bracket? 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. Okay, if we take this 35 as common factor, then we have 1 plus 35. Right here plus sign, here minus minus become plus. Okay, right here plus sign. Then next step, what do we have? 35 into 6 minus 203 into 1. The next step is what? Substitute the value of, here use the third equation, use the second equation, then use the third equation. So what is the third equation? Is this, and from this 35, value of 35 is what? 847 minus 203 into 4. So write the value of 35. Where is 35? Here is 35. So write the value of 35 at 847 minus 203 into 4. This into 6 minus 203 into 1. Then 847 into 6, that is multiply by 6 in bracket. 847 into 6 minus 203 into 4 into 6 becomes into 24. Minus 203 into 1 as it is. Then 847 into 6 as it is, but this minus 203 into 24 and minus 203 into 1 becomes minus 203 into 25. How we have this? If we take this 20 minus and 203 as common, then what we have in bracket? 24 plus 1, that is 25. Like suppose MA plus MB. What do we have? MA plus MB, M in bracket A plus B, like that. So that this is minus sign, this is minus sign. So take minus sign and 203 as common. Then we have 24 plus 1 becomes 25. Then next step is what? Substitute the value of, use the equation number 4 then. So observe equation number 4. We have the value of 203 as 1050 minus 847 into 1. So write the value of 203. Here is write the value of 203 as 1050 minus 884 into 1 into 25 as it is. Then multiply by this 25 in bracket. Again the same mistake is here. So minus minus becomes here plus sign, right here plus sign. So 847 into 6 as it is, minus 1050 into 25, multiply by 25 in bracket. Minus minus become plus here, right? Plus 84 into 1 into 25 is what? 1 into 25 is 25. So and then 847, here is right, don't write 847 1050 minus 847 1050 minus 847. I'll write here 847. Here is I can write 847 into 25. Then 847 into 6 plus, here it's plus sign. 847 into 25 becomes 847 into 31, because 6 plus 25 becomes 31. Okay. Then minus 1050 into 25 as it is. Then use the next equation, use the 5 number equation number 5. So what is the equation number 5? This is the equation number 5. We have the value of 847 as 2947 minus 1050 into 2. So here the value of 1050, value of 847, equation number 5, from equation number 5. So use the equation number 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Okay, successively use the all equations successively. Then what do we have the value of 847? 2947 minus, from this equation. What 847 is 2947 minus 1050 into 2. Okay, and into 31 as it is, minus 1050 into 25. And then we have 2947 into 31 minus 1050 into 2 into 31 becomes into 62, minus 1050 into 25. Then this 2947 into 31 as it is, minus, take this minus and 1050 as common. Then we have 62 plus 25 is 87. Then next equation is what? Use equation number 6 then. What is the equation number 6? Is 3947 minus 2947 into 1, value of 1050. So here is right the value of 3997 minus 2947 into 1 into 87. And then we have the answer 2947 into 31 minus 3997 into 87, multiply by this into 87, and this minus and minus become plus, plus 2947 into 1 into 87, 1 into 87 is 87. And then take this 2947 and this 2947 as common. What do we have in bracket? 31 plus 87 means 118. 31 plus 87 minus 3997 into 87 as it is. And then we write this as 3997 into minus 87 plus 2947 into 118, and therefore m is minus 87 and n is 118. If we check this calculation by using calculator, then what we have? 3997 into minus 87 plus 2947 into 118. If we check this calculation, then we have the answer 7, this LHS, and therefore m and n are these numbers. So successively use equations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here is the problem that express this greatest common divisor in the form of this 3997 into m plus 2947 into m. If the question is instead of this express the number, suppose 28 in this form, then start the equation from third last by numbering, that is number the third last equation by 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, and then from 1 write the value of 28 and continue the same procedure. If the question is find greatest common divisor of these two number and express 35 instead of D, instead of 7, if the question is express 35 as a 3997 into m plus 2947 into n, then start from this equation. That is a number this equation by 1, then 2 and 3 and 4, and then start from equation number 1 then. That is like 35 as 847 minus 203 into 4. If we if the question is express 203 in this form, then start from this equation. Okay. If we the question is express 847 in this form, then start this. If the question is suppose express 21 in the form of this, then start from equation number 1, and then we have this equation. We have this equation 7 is equal to this, and then multiply by 3. What do we have? 21 is equal to 3997 into minus 87 into 3 right here number, plus 2947 into 118 into 3. What is that number right here? Then we have the m and n. That is if the question is right express 21 in this form, then first express 7 in this form and then multiply by 3. So the next problems are of these types. So this is the problem that find the greatest common divisor of 3997 into 2947. That is the same problem. This problem 3997 and 2947. That find the greatest common divisor and express 35. That is we have to express this 35 in this form. So find first greatest common divisor and then use the equation number 3 first. That is start from 3, equation number 3. So from equation number 3, what do we have? 35 is equal to, we have to express 35. If we or another way of this expressing 35 in this form is what? First express 7 in this form and then multiply by 5. That is 5 into 37 is 35 is equal to 3997 into minus 87 into 5 right here number, and then 2947 into 118 into 5 here number. Then we have m and n. Or start from this equation number 3. Then 35 is what? 847 minus 203 into 4. Here is. And then write the value of, then use the equation number 4. After 3, use the equation number 4. And from equation 4, what we have? We have the value of 203. It is 1050 minus 847 into 1 right here. 203 as 1050 minus 847 into 1, right? Right, multiplication into multiplication sign and then 1, or write it in bracket 1. And then multiply by 4 in bracket. What do we have? 1050 into 4 minus become plus 847 into 1 into 4. 1 into 4 is 4. And then 847 here is into 1 and here is 847 into 4. If you take 847 as common, then we have 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4, that is 5. And then minus 1050 into 4 as it is. And then use the equation number 5 then. What is the equation number 5? We have the value of 847 as 2947 minus 1050 into 2. So substitute here 847, value 2947 minus 1050 into 2 into 5, this 5 into 5 minus 1050 into 4. Then multiply this 5 in bracket. We have 2947 into 5 minus 1050 into 2 into 5 is in 10. 2 into 5 is 10. Then minus 1050 into 4. And then this 2947 into 5 as it is, minus and minus. Both are minus sign. So take minus 1050 as common. What do we have in bracket? 10 plus 4. That is 14. Then substitute the value from 6, the value of 1050. If we observe equation number 6, then we have 1050 as 3997 minus 2947. So what is this? Value of 1050. Then multiply by 14. What do we have? 3997 into 14, and this minus and minus become plus. 2947 into 1 into 14 is 1 into 14 is 14. And then 2947, if you take this 2947 as common, then 5 plus 14, that is 19, minus 3997 into 14. And therefore we have this 3997 into minus 14 and plus 2947 into 19. Therefore we have m and n as minus 14 and 19. Or we express 7 in this form and multiply by 5, then this number into 5 is m, and this number 118 into 5 is n. So this is another procedure. So, or this is the example, right? Find the integers x and y. This is of the question from question paper 2019. Find x and y if exists such that 81x minus 93y is equal to 36. That is, first find the greatest common factor of 93 and 81. 93 and 81. So what is the greatest common? How we can find the greatest common divisor of 93 and 81? By using equilibrium algorithm. Divide larger number, that is 93, by smaller number 81. Obviously quotient is 1 and remainder is 12. Then divide 81 by 12. So if you divide 81 by 12 by using calculator, then answer is 6 point something. So 6 is the question. And 81 minus 12 into 6, that is 72. That is 81 minus 72 is 9. Okay. Then 12, divide this 12 divisor by this remainder 9 into 1, and 12 minus 9 into 1, that is 3. Okay. And then 9 divided by this, divide 9 by 3 remainder. If the quotient is 3 plus remainder is 0. And then use numbering the equation, second last equation by 1, then previous is 2, then previous is 3. And then use the equation number 1, find the value of 3. It is what? The value of 3 is what? This 12 minus 9 into 1. So start from 1, or start from, if we start from 3, that is from equation number 1, then we have 3 in this form. We have the 3 as 81 into x minus 93 into y. That is, then multiply by, we have to express 36. So if we multiply 3 by number, then we have the answer 36? No, because any integer into 3 is not 36. So start from 9, because 9 into 4 is 36. 9 4s are 36, but 3 into some integer is not equal to 36. So don't start from the equation, last equation, start from this equation. Or start from equation number 3, that is express 12 in this form and multiply by 12 3s are 36. So multiply by 3. Or start from the equation number 2. So what is the equation number 2? From, if we start from equation number 2, then 9 is 81 minus 12 into 6. And then value of 12 is what? 93 minus 81 into 1. And then into 6 as it is. Multiply by this 6. 93 into 6 minus become plus 81 into 1 into 6 is 6. And then 81 into 7 minus 93 into 6. And if you write this in this form, then what do we have? 81, 9 is 81 into 7 minus 93 into 6. But we are, if we multiply by 4, then what do we have? 36 is equal to 81 into 7 into 4, 28 minus 93, 6 into 4 is 24. And so x and y are 28 and 24. That is starts from equation number 2 or start from equation number first or third. And then we have 12 as 93 minus 81 into 1, and then multiply by that is this is 81 minus 1, that you could write this 93 minus 81 into 1 in this form, then 81 minus 1 and plus minus 93 minus 1 in bracket. Okay, therefore we have the answers x, and we have different answers of x and y. It is depend on your procedure. These answers x and y are not unique. If we check this 81 into 28 minus 93 into 24 by using calculator, then we have answer 36. So check these x and y are correct by using calculator. These x and y are not unique. We have different answers. So these are some other problems on the so we see all these remaining problems of greatest common divisor in next lecture.